was a rainy Sunday afternoon at the Bridge and Biscotti Club, and the air hummed with quiet concentration, the rustle of cards, and the occasional groan when someone misplayed a trick. The usual suspects were gathered around the worn green felt table. Timmy, his loyal partner Andrew, the enigmatic Bartek, self-proclaimed built-cliff coup expert, his ever-patient partner Marjorie, who could solve a cryptic crossword mid-suit preference signal. Uncle George, his gentle but sharp as a knife Aunt Mildred. Tom, our resident bridge philosopher who still believed intuition could beat probability. And Robert, the silent veteran who'd seen every convention fail at least twice. They weren't just playing today. They were testing. Uncle George had brought out the legendary bridge test kit, a leather-bound folder filled with puzzles, traps, and bidding nightmares he and Aunt Mildred had collected over 50 years of rubber bridge, Chicago games, and international tournaments. Each test was designed to expose a flaw, reveal a blind spot, or teach a brutal lesson. Andrew grinned, shuffling the cards with theatrical flair. "Test number 7, he announced, pulling a yellowed sheet from the folder. "Let's see who really knows their Gerber." A hush fell. Even Tom stopped mid-rant about emotional bidding and looked up. A seemingly innocent auction. Bidding sequence. South, opener 1 NT. North, responder 4 clubs. Gerber, asking for aces. South, 4 diamonds, shows 4 aces. North, 6 NT, declares small slam in no trump. No interference. No doubles. Just a clean, confident march into 6 NT. West leads the heart 2. You're in 6 NT, missing only 2 tricks. Tom leans forward. With all 4 aces and 4 kings between you, how can this possibly fail? Bartek raises an eyebrow. Ah, the classic ace-king delusion. Marjorie sighs and puts down her crossword. Tom dear, having all the top honors doesn't mean you have tricks. Robert just chuckles. I've seen this before. It goes down. Every time. Uncle George taps the table. What's wrong with this bidding? The challenge. What should the declarer bid? Test number 7. What should North have bid after South showed 4 aces via Gerber? And more importantly, was the 4 clubs Gerber bid correct in the first place? You have 10 minutes to think.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.
The answer. Let's break it down. South opened 1 NT, standard 15 to 17 HCP, balanced. North jumps to 4 clubs, the Gerber convention, asking for aces. South shows 4 aces with 4 diamonds. North then bids 6 NT. But something feels off. Look at North's hand. Spade K, 8, 5. Heart K, 9, 6. Diamond K, 10, 7, 2. Club K, 4, 3. That's 4 kings sure, but no other honors. No queen, no jack. Just 4 kings and a bunch of small cards. High card points. Let's count. 4 kings is equal to 4 times 3 equals 12 HCP. South, as a standard 1 NT opener, has 16 HCP, average. Total combined, 12 plus 16 is equal to 28 HCP. Wait. 28 HCP. But slam in NT usually requires 33 plus HCP for safety, or at least a solid 30 with excellent distribution or a source of tricks. We have no long suits, no roughing potential, no finessing chances beyond the basic. Let's count the sure tricks. Spades, A plus K equals 2 tricks. Hearts, A plus K equals 2 tricks. Diamonds, A plus K equals 2 tricks. Clubs, A plus K equals 2 tricks. That's 8 tricks. The other 4 tricks. They depend on distribution, hoping opponents' cards split favorably. But even in best-case scenarios, one extra spade trick if 3-3 or guarded finesse. Maybe. One heart trick beyond AK? Only if hearts break 3-3 and we can run the 10 or 9. Diamonds and clubs? Nothing beyond AK. So maximum realistic tricks. 10. But 6 NT requires 12. This contract cannot make. It doesn't matter how many aces and kings we have. We lack intermediates, length, and control. The real mistake, misuse of the Gerber convention. Here's the lesson Uncle George and Aunt Mildred drilled. Only use Gerber when you have slam interest and the points to back it up. The 4 clubs Gerber after a 1 NT opening is a slam exploration tool, not a curiosity. Guidelines for Gerber after 1 NT. Responder should have 13 plus HCP. Combined strength should approach 30 to 33 HCP. Should have a balanced hand with controls. Should not use Gerber with flat, king-heavy, honor-light hands. In this case, North has only 12 HCP. Combined points, 28, well short of slam safety. Hand is flat, no long suits, no entries beyond top cards. No way to generate 12 tricks. So the 4 clubs bid was incorrect. They forced the auction into slam territory with insufficient firepower. The final reveal, after 10 minutes. The video screen flickers on, part of the old-school training kit. George, the contract goes down. 2, maybe 3 tricks. It doesn't matter who leads. You only have 8 to 10 sure tricks. No amount of king waving saves you. Aunt Mildred adds gently, having all the aces and kings sounds impressive, until you realize you're missing the in-betweens. Bridge isn't about trophies, it's about tricks. Tom looks heartbroken. But I felt it was a slam. Bartek smirks. Feeling doesn't stop the defenders from cashing 5 heart tricks. The correct answer. 1. Was the 4 clubs Gerber bid correct? No. With only 12 HCP and a combined 28 HCP, North lacked the strength to justify slam exploration. Gerber should not be used here. 2. What should North have bid instead? After 1 NT, with 12 HCP and a flat hand, North should bid 2 NT, an invitation to 3 NT or directly bid 3 NT. 3. Can 6 NT make? Absolutely not. Maximum tricks. 10. Contract requires 12. It will go down at least 2. Takeaway for bridge players. Aces ask, who has the top card? Kings ask, can I win it? But only the small cards tell you, how many times? George and Mildred's Bridge Wisdom #7. Don't fall for the honor illusion. Just because you hold all the aces and kings doesn't mean you have the tricks. Count your HCP, assess your distribution, and respect the point thresholds for slam. And above all, don't use Gerber unless you're serious about bidding slam. Stay tuned for test number 8. Until then, count your intermediates. Trust the math.